Welcome to the farm. This is a farm.
Look at the farm! It is big. Ha!
Smile, please.
Cheese! We like the farm. We are happy. We are happy.
Welcome to the farm. Goodbye.
Welcome to the airport. This is the airport.
Look at the airport!
It is big. Let's go inside. Come with me. We go inside.
We are at the airport.
These are tickets.
We have tickets.
We have tickets. I have my ticket.
That's wonderful, sweetie.
You're all set for the adventure.
I am ready. We wait here.
This is security.
Wow, cool!
You're welcome. Stop, please.
Is everything okay?
Wait here.
Okay.
We wait.
It is okay.
We put the bags here.
Look at the bags. We can go.
Thank you.
We sit and wait.
We are here.
We are here.
Wow, look!
Airplanes!
I am tired. I want my toy.
It is okay. We wait.
Oh no! My toy is missing!
Where is your toy? Look here.
Don't worry. We will find it. Is this your toy?
Oh! Look! Welcome to the farm. This is a farm.
Look at the farm! It is big.
Let's see the animals. Come with me. We go inside.
We see animals.
Chickens can walk.
They can eat. I like chickens.
They are funny. This is a cow. The cow is big. The cow eats grass. It is calm. Look at the cow. It is big.
These are sheep. They are white. I like the sheep. It is soft.
This is a horse. The horse can walk. The horse can run. It is fast. Look at the horse. It is strong.
Wow, really? Strong like you, Daddy.
Yes, very strong. This is a goat. It is hungry.
Oh no! The goat eats the food.
Oh no! Be careful. Stop, goat! Be careful.
Come here, goat. Come here.
It is okay. The cow is safe.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
We walk together.
We are happy.
Goodbye, animals. See you.
This is the farm. It is beautiful.
Ha!
Smile, please.
Cheese! We like the farm. We are happy. We are happy.
Welcome to the farm. Goodbye.